Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS. Great car, guys. It's a South Carolina car. It's got 2,000 miles on a complete body-up restoration. Gentleman we got it from's owned this car since 2005. Good looking car. This is Glacier blue. This is the original color for the car. Sits good. You can see it's got a set of, I think those are 18-inch American Torque Thrust D wheels on it. It's also got ZR rated rubber all the way around it. But good looking car, man. I like the way this thing sits. It's got an 010 GM 350 performance block in it. It's also got the Deluxe Hounds Tooth interior. So pretty car. Disc brakes. It's got the cowl hood, the front and rear spoilers, and of course it's got the highly desirable RS hideaway headlights for the RS package. They've actually they've used the Detroit Speed electric motors, so they work. You know, in '69 these were vacuum and these things never wanted to work. So they have upgraded it to the Detroit Speed system. You can kind of nitpick some little things on it. You can kind of pick the chrome a little bit, but nice car, man. I didn't see a whole lot you could really pick in the paint. Couple little touch-up marks. But good car, man. Good straight car. We got underneath it, shot some photos of it. I know Jay said they put, what did you say, they replaced 2 floor pans on it? So it's got a couple of pans that have been replaced. So it's not an all original, you know, panel car. But a good car, straight car. Sorry, you can see it's kind of spitting rain, and unfortunately we're not going to be able to take this thing down the road because it's wet. But welcome to Michigan, man. Car's nice and flat down the sides. I love the wheels and tires on it. Sorry, these old knees are getting bad, guys. Car's got a killer look, man. I wish we had some sunshine because that blue's pretty. Front disc brakes. Again, this is an 010 block. When I say 010, that's the last 3 on the casting, which is your GM 350, but it's a high performance version. Holley 4-barrel. It's got the Performer RPM, aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It is power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the correct cowl hood air cleaner on it with the finned aluminum valve covers. 350 trans. It's got the GM double hump heads on it. Yeah, it is a good looking car. Of course, these 69 Camaros are so popular, man. People love them. Sorry guys, there's no pitting or anything on that. That's just a few little raindrops. I don't even know if it's raining. What would you call it? Mist. Door handles are new. Little nick there in the corner of the door pad, but that's original. Those are actually original deluxe door pads. It's got the bucket seats, the console, sports steering wheel. $2,035 is what it's showing on the odometer. Factory dash, got an aftermarket Sony system in it. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 10-bolt rear end. It's not a big gear. Stock probably 323, 331. We do have a trunk mat we ordered for it. It hasn't come in yet, so just remind us. We'll make sure that gets put in there. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. I tell you, the doors open and close are nice. You can see the trunk shuts good. See the car's nice underneath. It's not a frame off or rotisserie. It's just a very nice car. Something you can turn the key, go cruise at your local shows and cruises and have some fun with. I love that Hound's Tooth interior. That is probably my favorite interior on a GM. Nothing crazy, little cam to it, pump gas engine. Turn the key and go have some fun. See, the dash lights work, fuel gauge works. Oh, it's got a remote driver's mirror too, I forgot. Radio works, I know the blower motor works. Got wipers there. Have to check the wipers. There's always something with these old cars. You always got to tinker with something. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, feel free to give us a call. Also our Instagram page, forgot about that. My son just started that. Or as always, guys, feel free to give us a call at 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.